We are the Watsons. We've always loved going on adventures with our 4 kids. From hiking in Maine to exploring volcanoes in Hawaii to salmon fishing in Alaska, we've seen a lot. Now we are taking our adventures to the road full time. We packed up our belongings, rented out our house, and we're going on the adventure of a lifetime. Follow us as we spend the next year traveling across the U.S., exploring unique places, learning about new cultures, and experiencing new things.